Okay, here it is experiment which is proof that the cat in the box is protected by blockchain and arrow of time. Cat not able to be in superposition because blockchain will not allow to cat to do so. This was first part was experiment where cat was in the box and was trying to create wave function and superposition, but fail. Now other experiment. This experiment is cat in the mirror. Cat in the mirror. So idea of experiment is that this, when cat is like this, that means cat is alive. But when cat is like this, that means cat is dead. And now we would see how time not allowed to be cat into state when cat alive and dead simultaneously. Okay, and it's possible to see that the each next copy is reverse copy. Each next copy is reverse copy. This is two mirrors, one mirror, two mirror, and cat is alive. Next copy, cat is dead. Next copy, cat is alive. And next copy, cat is dead, and so on. Each next copy is reverse copy. The cat, which is here, the cat, here, this is cat which is in the present. But copies of the cat, they are in the future. If to compare time of this cat, of those cats, where are they? All these cats, they are in the future, they are not in the present. If to compare these cats and this cat is in the past. And is it possible to see time separate copies, because they are all, we can see them in the present. All these copy, they are existing in the present. But time, light make separate them, the past from the future by distances. Yeah. Okay, this camera not. It's possible to see that each next cat which sink into the future separated from the cat which is in the past by distance. Yeah, and all they are present in the present. All these copies of cat which kind of in the future, they are present in present time. And now question, how to create time travel? No problems. Let's create some time travel. So this is laser. And now I will shine on cat head. Okay, let's switch off the light. And this would be more visible. Yeah, I shine on cat head, and it's possible to see that each copy is showing that light is present on cat head. But now I'm going to shine light not on the cat which is in the past. I'm going to shine the laser directly into future. I will miss the past and shine it directly into future. So how this looks? This looks like this. So this is laser, and I will one by one follow the cats which is in the future. This is first cat. This is first cat, and I come with laser. This is first cat. Then I travel. This is directly. I'm going into future. This cat. Next. Then next cat is this cat, and then this cat. So when I shine on this, all the future light starting to go into the future, but exactly this is where is now light, this on this cat. But it's possible that when it's shine directly into the future, this light spread into the past simultaneously. So, and is it possible to see these copies are separate from cat when cat is dead? The laser not getting onto the cat which is dead, only on the cat which is alive. That means time separate cat from superposition and not allowing the blockchain, not allowing to the cat to be alive and dead simultaneously. So quantum computer going to work on classical physics.
Have you ever heard of quantum physics?
Yes. I don't know what they are.
Would you like to?
Sure.
For a long time, the way that we understood the world was governed by what is called classical physics. You know what that is?
Kind of.
It is a basic way of measuring and predicting things. Then along came people like Albert Einstein. Have you heard of him?
Yeah.
Yeah. He started to look into really small things like atoms, subatomic particles, waveforms. And it began to look like classical physics didn't apply anymore, which is mysterious. It's not predictable in ways we currently understand. For example, the same thing can be in two different states at the same time. You could have a particle, for instance, the exact same particle. There's a world in which that particle is black and a world in which that particle is white. And there's a kind of point of liminal space between those worlds where the particle is black and white at the same time. And they don't seem to want to decide which state they'll be until someone looks at them.
That's nuts.
Well, that's nuts.
And let go, it stops, and the other one goes out with about the same speed, because it reaches about the same height. And exchange, if I pull them out, like, then they come in, and they exchange velocities. Up to this one collision.
But the idea here is if you release a mass from the side, what happens is that there's a compression wave that propagates through these, and only one ball comes up on the other side.